Hello everyone. The South African singer Khumalo has been named as the person who allegedly paid for former Orlando Pirates goalkeeper Senzo Meyiwa to be killed. This is contained in the affidavit of lead investigator of Meyiwa's murder case, Brigadier Bongani Gininda. Gininda was testifying in a trial within a trial in the Gauteng High Court in Pretoria on Wednesday, and during the proceedings, the investigating officer read out his affidavit. According to Gininda's statement, cell phone linkages between Khumalo and the accused Mthobisi Mncube and accused number 5 Fisokuhle Ntuli implicated her in Meyiwa's murder. The statement reads as follows: there are 4 cell phone numbers that she did not disclose to the police when this incident took place. These numbers were discovered by the XGS system used by cell phone analysts and subsequently linked to her activities. Investigations further revealed that she is actually linked to the perpetrators of this murder by means of cell phone linkages. These linkages connect her to accused 3 and 5. It was further discovered that through cell phone analysis, her cell phone memory album has the same photo of a see-through bag containing cash notes and in exact position or location or spot of the accused number 3. There is no reasonable explanation as to why Khumalo would be in contact telephonically with a hitman or killers of her boyfriend and share the same picture of a bag of money. Furthermore, Khumalo allegedly wanted to get rid of the deceased as early as 2013, which was established as a result of communication records between her and her sister Zandile Khumalo Gumede. It is apparently clear that she hated him and wanted to get rid of him. She further states that she regrets not succeeding to get rid of him before. Gininda indicated that accused number 1, Musika Ukalelo Sibiya's confession, he clearly implicates Ms. Khumalo as the person who gave them the instruction to kill Senzo Meyiwa. Senzo Meyiwa was fatally shot by armed intruders at the Khumalo family home in Vosloorus, Gauteng on 26 October 2014. Ntuli, Mncube, Sibiya, Bongani Ntanzi and Thokoziseni Maphisa are on trial for the former Orlando Pirates goalkeeper's killing and have pleaded not guilty. It was previously revealed in court that Khumalo received 2 phone calls from Ntuli. The first call was made on 2 August 2014, followed by another on 15 October 2014. The court also heard that Meyiwa's murder was not a robbery gone wrong, but a contract killing. A trial within a trial has been taking place to determine the admissibility of confession statements, pointing out and warning statements by the accused in the main trial.
He is further linked by means of a formal confession he made to the commissioned independent officer on the 30th of May 2020. In this confession, he clearly implicates Ms. Khumalo as the person who gave them the instruction to kill Senzo Meyiwa.
What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.